Hey, welcome back. So, I hope you're done with your account creation. And if you're done with it, now let's get started. So, ChatGPT basically, you can reset the thread and you can choose what mode you want to get into. There's also a live Discord chat room if you want to discuss on it. So let's get started with queries, right? So there are examples and capabilities. So what a user said earlier in the conversation and allows you to provide follow-up corrections, train to decline inappropriate requests. So basically, let's say uh, trying to let's basically get started here, right? Okay, so let me basically say, so here we are asking something which it should decline based on what it just described. So this is something it's not ethical or legal to break into someone's homes. So similarly, you can also ask it. Okay, so it's gonna give you another input here. Yeah, it's not ethical to do that. So similarly, ask this question. So actually, how to protect my bank account? And I think it will answer this. And similarly, you can ask more questions here. Similarly, you can ask how do I protect my home? How to protect my home from burglary, right? Yeah, from home breakage. Okay. So now you will see an answer, install a security system and all that. So that's basically what we wanted to see here. And we will also look at one more example before we actually get started with this. So let me actually go to a Stack Overflow here. So we'll just copy paste this question. And this is a beautiful soup question. So I just want to know, and we have already have an answer here. So let's actually see if it gives us a reasonable solution. So it also gives you the code, and basically you can compare that solution with this. So it seems pretty appropriate and looks like a decent answer. And in the next one, we will look at how if we could integrate this with our Streamlit UI without having to go through Chat GPT. And that's basically what we'll cover in the next video. Thank you for joining.